was captured, my soul surrendered. I've spent a lifetime waiting for the right time. Now